Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm back at North Sydney. I'm going to film a few trains for my loyal viewers during the afternoon peak at the start of it. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe tab at the bottom of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs.
The train on platform 1 goes to Epping via Central. First stop Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern. Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then... The train on platform 4 goes to Lindfield. First stop, Waverton, then Wollstonecraft, St Leonard's, Artarmon, The train on platform 2 goes to Richmond via Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Strathfield, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, and then all stations to Richmond. Schofields to Schofields via Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Strathfield, Parramatta, then all stations to Blacktown, then Marion, Quakers Hill and Schofields.
Anyway, viewers, we should have a Emu plane service approaching platform number 1. Should be stopping next at Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall Central, Redfern, Strathfield, Parramatta, Seven Hills, Blacktown, then all stations to Emu planes. Well, it's getting a bit busy now, and here comes the Emu plane service approaching the platform now.
Train on platform 1 goes to
These people like hanging around here like vultures.
Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central. Quakers Hill and Schofields. The train on platform 1 goes to Blacktown via Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall.
Let's get some fresh air in the cab.
Redfern, Strathfield, Redfern. To arrive on platform 1 goes to Epping via Central. The train on platform 2 goes to Schofields via Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Strathfield, Parramatta, then all stations to Blacktown, then Marion, Quakers Hill and Schofields. Goes to Richmond via Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Strathfield. The train on platform 1 goes to Emu Plains via Central. First stop, Milson's Point, then Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Strathfield, Parramatta, Blacktown.
Okie dokie, viewers, that's all for this episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm going to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. And I will see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.